In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a password for your Substack account. Whether you're new to Substack or looking to secure your existing account further, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and efficiently. It's essential to have a strong password to keep your account safe, so let's get started with this simple tutorial. First, the journey begins by navigating to the Substack website. Open up your preferred internet browser and type in substack.com sign in. This is your starting point for gaining access or modifying your account credentials. Once you're on the sign in page, you'll be presented with a few different options. Look for the sign in with password option. This is crucial because it will direct you to the next step in setting up your password for the first time, or if you're resetting it. After clicking on sign in with password, you'll see an option that says set a new password. Selecting this will initiate the process of creating a password for your account. It's designed to be a straightforward procedure, so don't worry if you're not super tech savvy. Substack has made this step user-friendly and easy to follow. Next, you will need to enter your email address, the one associated with your Substack account, into the provided field. After ensuring that your email address is correct, which is important to prevent any mishaps, click the Send Email button. This action will trigger the sending of a reset password link to your inbox, giving you the necessary tools to complete the setup of your new password. At this point, you should check your email inbox for the password reset link. It's worth noting that this email might take a couple of minutes to arrive, and in some cases it could land in your spam or junk folder, so be sure to check there if you don't see it immediately. Once you have located the email, open it and click on the provided link. This link is your gateway to creating a secure password that you can use to log into your Substack account. The reset link will direct you to a secure page where you can set your new password. It's a good idea to choose a robust combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure maximum security. This new password will be what you use to sign into your Substack account and any subscriptions you may have. Make sure to save it in a secure location, or consider using a password manager for added convenience and security. And there you have it, you've successfully set up a password for your Substack account, enhancing your security and making it easier for you to manage your subscriptions. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Substack's Help Center is a great resource. Thanks for watching and happy reading on Substack.